Right now at 6, an attempted abortion at 31 weeks. Those are the accusations against an 18-year-old Durham woman and her boyfriend. Court records say Saisha Johnson took abortion medication mifepristone in her 3rd trimester. Now she and Elijah Spate face assault charges. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Ashley Rowe.
And I'm Gerald Owens. We want to warn you, details in this story are difficult to listen to. WRAL's Sean Gallagher joins us live from Durham. And Sean, let's begin by saying the baby did survive.
Yeah, that's right, Gerald. The first responders performed CPR, saving that child's life. But court records say days before that child was born, the mother allegedly took that abortion medication, mifepristone, which is legal in the state of North Carolina so long as it's used within the first 12 weeks of a pregnancy. But this case is sure to put Durham in the national spotlight to see how the DA handles it.
WRAL's cameras weren't allowed in the courtroom Wednesday as 18-year-old Saisha Johnson and 19-year-old Elijah Spate faced charges for abusing their newborn child, a child born prematurely at 31 weeks.
It's a late-term fetus.
Court documents say Johnson took the abortion pill mifepristone just days before and that the baby was born less than 5.5 pounds. That child did survive. Search warrants show Johnson learned she was 20 weeks pregnant in June. Her boyfriend Spate told investigators she ordered the abortion pills from Virginia in what the search warrant says was an attempt to terminate her pregnancy early. State law allows for abortions up to 12 weeks into a pregnancy, and the National Institutes of Health say infants born after 24 weeks have a roughly 70% survival rate.
I mean, how do you go forward trying to, find justice for a newborn?
Well, again, we haven't received any of the information or the discovery in this case yet.
District Attorney Satana DeBerry's office is charging Johnson and Spate with felony assault.
I have been on the record over and over again saying that I believe a woman has the rights to choose and has the right to making decisions about her own body. And we will review the evidence in this case in that light.
The accusations here of at 31 weeks, does that change your thoughts on a woman's right that late into a 3rd trimester?
And I haven't looked at any of the evidence, so I wouldn't have any comment.
So as DeBerry waits to go through that evidence, she will come up with the decision about whether or not her office will go forward with this case or drop the charges altogether. Both Johnson and Spate are being held on a $1,000 bond, which is pretty low in our state, and DeBerry says that should be an indication that neither of them should be considered a danger to the public. In Durham County, Sean Gallagher, WRAL News.